guys, welcome back to Flat Creek Digital. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make your sublimation images brighter. And this is an awesome tip that I got from a crafting friend named Erin. And she has a little shop on Macari, and the name of the shop is Sunshine State Goods. She has some awesome keychains and car coasters, ornaments, earrings, all kinds of stuff. Be great for, stocking stuffers for Christmas. So y'all need to go check her shop out. I'll have a link in the description. Please show her some love because this was an awesome tip from her. So I just want to give a little shout out. Okay, now I have this design here, and this is what we're gonna. I'm going to show you the difference. Okay. I made this design in Inkscape, and I've already saved it to my computer, and I'm going to show you the program that I use. Now, I think any Photoshop type of program will work as long as you have an option to up your vibrancy of the image. And what program I found that works best for me is a free program called PhotoPea, and so that's what we're going to use today in this video. And I'm going to get right to it, and we're just going to go to PhotoPea. I already have it up down here. And we're going to go here to open from computer. Find the image that you want to up your vibrancy on. Missed that one. Okay. Okay, it's going to load your image in. Now what you're going to want to do is go up here to where it says image, and click on that. You're going to go down here to adjustments, and then you're going to go down here to vibrance. It may take a little bit, which my computer's being slow. Okay, it's going to be set to 0. Now make sure you have preview clicked. What you're going to do is you're really just going to be playing around with this right here where it says vibrance. So far what I found is either doing it at 50, 55, those are kind of good ones, but I actually been jacking it up to 100, and it just brightens up that image really good. I don't know if you could probably tell the difference from when I hit it. Now you have to be careful. If you go all the way up to 100, some of the colors may change on you. Should just keep an eye on that. Generally, I guess, if you do it at 50, it's not going to change it much, but it's still going to change it enough to make it brighter than it was. But like I said, I like 100 for this particular image because it actually just brings out all the green and the details, just gets super bright. And that's pretty much it. It is super simple. Just find a program. I mean, you can get PhotoPea. It's free. I'm going to have a link in the description. And it just works really good. Like I said, though, just be careful about your colors. Keep an eye out. But other than that, it is awesome. I love it. I've been doing it for every design I sell in my shop. And every time I'm printing out a design for my t-shirts, just makes it super bright. And then basically what you do is just hit OK. Right, and you're going to go over here to File. And you're going to go down here to Export As. And do PNG. It may take it a minute. And basically you don't even have to mess with any of this. It's going to keep it exactly the way it was when you downloaded it. And then you're just going to hit Save. Now on mine, it's been automatically saving it to the download file. It may do that in yours, or you could probably change it to wherever you want to save it to. Alright, and then I want to show y'all one other thing, which is pretty cool on here. If you go back to Image, go back to Adjustments, but go down here to Hue and Saturation. I want to show y'all something really cool. And this is really neat for people who have Etsy shops. And you can just make multiple designs in different colors. It may not work that great with this one, but it'll show you at least the effect that I'm talking about. So you're going to go right here to hue. You don't have to change it much, but it'll change the color of your image. I mean, you can go to several different options in here and play around with it. It's not, like I said, it doesn't work well with this image, but other images though, I mean, it's super simple. Change the hue on here. You can change your saturation. I typically don't mess with lightness too much. But it's just really awesome if you have an image that's super simple and you just want to make multiple colors and put it on your Etsy shop. This is awesome. And like I said, make sure you have preview clicked. And then if you get to a setting that you like, just hit OK. And then it'll save it at that. And then you can, go back up here to save again. But I'm going to show you the difference in the brightness. So let's go back to Inkscape. Okay, this is my original image. Okay. You know what? Let's get it over here so that white thing ain't. It's just distracting. Come on now. I'm supposed to go super slow. Alright. We're going to go up here to File. Go here to Import. And like I said, mine has been automatically saving it into Downloads. I just want to make this larger like this one so you can see the difference. It's a little too large, but maybe I'll make this one larger so you can really see. I mean, can you just see the difference in the tree? How much more green it is. You can even see some more of the details even better. Now let me show you this. Like, see how this one's, it has changed it, make it a little more orange. But I'm fine with that. I just love the brightness that it brings out. It's perfect for sublimation. Because sublimation is going to already make your image dull automatically because of your ink process. So this is just awesome. It's a neat little trick. I've been doing it on probably every design now. A lot of the designs in my shop now are just super bright, awesome quality. And I'll have the link to my shop in the description as well. But I hope this helps you guys. Please like and subscribe. And so that's it, guys. Thank y'all for watching.